Alright, let's talk about Sikandar Ka Mukaddar. Neeraj Pandey, the guy who gave us gems like A Wednesday and Special 26, is back, but not in form. This movie, it's like ordering biryani and getting pulao. Looks okay, but something is missing. The story starts off strong. Jimmy Shergill, as Officer Jaswinder Singh, also known as Mr. Perfect Record, is assigned to crack a high profile diamond heist where five diamonds worth 50 to 60 crores are stolen. Enter Sikandar, Avinash Tiwari, Kamini, Tamanna Bhatia, and Mangesh Rajiv Mehta, the prime suspects. Jaswinder interrogates, tortures, and harasses them, especially Sikandar, who seems to be the one paying the heaviest price for Jaswinder's ego driven instincts. The tension builds as you wonder who the real culprit is. But guess what? All falls apart when logic takes a backseat. Now let's break down the nonsense about Sikandar Ka Mukaddar. Someone hides a diamond in a nail and the cops don't find it. Seriously, have they never heard of body detectors? Then there's the scene where the diamonds are stolen by breaking a glass case. But the cops don't bother checking the rod used to smash it or even look for the fingerprints. These are basic investigative steps, but the film conveniently ignores them. And here's the kicker. The movie expects us to believe someone would destroy their own life, career, and sanity over diamonds that can't be even sold or used for 15 years. 15 years? Who waits that long to cash in on a heist? That's not dedication, that's just dumb. By the time you process all this, you are left wondering if the characters were trying harder to steal diamonds or the filmmakers were trying harder to steal your logic. The last 30 minutes are the real disaster. Neeraj Pandey sets up a solid first 2 hours with gripping tension and a seemingly clever mystery. But when it's time to wrap things up, the story collapses. There's no clear motive for the heist. Bollywood, please stop this trend of movies pretending that lazy, unclear endings are intellectual. It is not clever, it's frustrating. Sure, I'll give some credit to Jimmy Shergill. He is the only saving grace here, and you can tell he's putting in the effort. Avinash Tiwari is a decent in emotional scenes, but he struggles to bring depth to the character that's already paper thin. Tamanna Bhatia looks stunning, but doesn't get much to do, and Rajiv Mehta barely registers. Technically, the movie is underwhelming. The camera work is uninspired with long, unnecessary shots that do nothing but drag the pace. The background score is paceable but forgettable, and the editing is all over the place. Oh, and let's not forget the completely unnecessary romantic subplot. It's like putting ketchup on pizza. A random love song in the middle of a thriller. Who thought that was a good idea? By the end, you realize the movie has no solid foundation. Sikandar Ka Mukaddar starts as a promising crime thriller but crashes hard. The second half is painfully boring. The climax is rushed and directionless. And that random 15-year jump, completely irrelevant. From cheap makeup on Jimmy Shergill to the confusing female friend angle, it's a chaotic mess instead of a proper crime movie. Neeraj Pandey, who once mastered the art of thriller, seems to have lost the grip here. According to my verdict, Sikandar Ka Mukaddar is a frustrating watch that leaves you more confused than thrilled. Watch it only if you are a die-hard Jimmy Shergill fan. Otherwise, skip it and spend your time on something that actually respects your intelligence. My rating would be 2 out of 5.
Did you find this video helpful? If yes, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And press the bell icon for new videos.